And still in Manchester, from crippling business to breaking relationships, councillors in the parish are concerned about the negative impact on persistent curfew to curb crime in the parish. The issues were raised at this month's Municipal Corporation meeting, where the police highlighted a reduction in serious crimes since the start of the year. Krista Campbell reports.
The Manchester Police are celebrating an 18% decline in serious crimes from January 1 to July 4, 2026, but curfews remain in effect for several communities. Head of Operations for the Manchester Police, Deputy Superintendent Valdin Amos, stressed that the limitation of movement during curfews help deter criminal activities and protect lives and property. But for Councillor for the Knockpatrick Division, Carl Smith, whose division has been under curfew since last November, the fallout is getting worse.
We have seen a slight increase in domestic violence in these spaces because of the curfew, because persons are frustrated. Females are pressuring the males who should be the provider, and most of these males operate shop. Shop has to be closed from 6 o'clock, and if you notice these shops in these spaces, that's the time when they make the money to send the students to school, to send the females to market. So that is posing a little challenge.
Knockpatrick, Old England, before the weekend is over, we'll be meeting with these communities with a view of lifting these curfews. Because we are of the opinion that it has served its purpose.
Mandeville Mayor Donovan Mitchell, who is also councillor for the Royal Flats Division, noted that businesses have been suffering from the early closure hours under curfews imposed in communities where serious crimes have not been an issue.
At 6:15, it is still daylight, bright and pretty same way. To start a curfew at that time is sort of rough. Children are now on holidays, so there are more mouths to feed, more running up and down in the house, a lot of stuff.
We had met with the community several times prior to extending the curfew. And the decision was not made by just police and police intelligence and what we do think or what we believe. It is based on strong evidence where we strongly believe that the perpetrators are in and out of the space, being harbored by a few persons in the space. And we thought that it was important to continue the curfew.
DSP Amos says the curfews will be reviewed in consultation with residents, but even as he notes significant declines in break-ins from 550 in 2016 to 29 since the start of 2026, concerns about an increase in the town centre of the cobbler community in the Walderston division.
They have been gone into those shops about 5 times, like 5 consecutive weeks. And we have reported it, and it was the day before yesterday, they went into another one.
DSP Amos said the police had not received reports of those break-ins, but Mayor Mitchell suggested an increase in police presence in some communities in lieu of certain curfew restrictions like early business closure. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.